Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, So I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a little bit, and last week on my Instagram I was asking if y'all wanted to see how I did this look, and mostly I said yes. So of course I had to deliver it for you. We are doing this cute naturalish, neutralish, not natural because it's a lot of makeup, but look today. It is super easy, super simple, super cute. I really love how it comes out. This is like an everyday I want to wear eyeshadow kind of look. It pretty much goes with everything because it's like a nudie kind of moment, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you get me. So before we get into it, my name is Reese LaFleur. If you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. This is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do makeup, fashion, hair, nails, all of that good stuff. Consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Let's get into the tutorial, you guys. Hey you guys, we are fresh face. Hello. Of course, like always, we start with our Fenty Primer. If you see me do my makeup, I usually just use the same product over and over. I'm one of those. I'm a loyalist. So after we put the primer, we're going to go in with our Fenty Foundation, and this is the color 450. I'm just, of course, going to blend that out. Again, if you've seen me do my makeup, you've seen this process so many times. I feel like makeup videos, especially if you're a person like me who repeats their makeup, the same. Which is why I don't do makeup videos that often anymore, because at least for my clothing videos, you can see extra stuff, you know? No? Okay. This is my Juvia's concealer, and this is the number 12. Yes. And we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. Brighten up the face. Yes, yes. Alright, so once that's all blended, of course, we grab the next color. The next color we're going to use, that you're going to just see me start going straight into, is the same Juvia's Place concealer, but this is the number 3, and it's one of the darker colors. So you see me blending that out now, and that's how I get my beautiful contour on the cheek, because we got to be snatched, okay? And then I do the contour, and then I do that under highlight of that contour, and that makes my face look even more snatched. Alright, so this is my Juvia's Place, oh my gosh, setting powder. Whoa. And I actually love this setting powder because it's super, I just love it. I have so much setting powder and I just keep using this one. And this is what I mean when I say I'm a loyalist. If something works, I do not stop using it until it's gone, and then I just get more. So I was going to do my eyebrows on camera and I was like, yeah. But the eyebrows are done. Cool. And now we're going in with our P. Louise base, and this is the number 2. And we're using that to prime the lids. Prime, blend, blend, blend. Alright, this is my Just Adore Beaute palette, and we're going to go in with the colors. I think that's the color Native. Don't get me wrong with the name of the colors. I think that's definitely Native, though. I think I remember all the colors of these. Okay, wait, I think I got it. Okay, I think I got it. That is the color Brun, which is like a regular brown. That's Brun, B-R-U-N. Yes, Reese, you're doing it. Remember these colors. That is the color Dark Chocolate. I'm going in with now. Pooh. I'm lit. I'm lit. I remember the colors, y'all. Hey, that dance came at a perfect time. So we're just blending that out over the Native. And then we're going to go in with Noir, which is the black in this palette. We're going to deepen out that crease. Yes, hunty. Excuse the talking. I'm on the phone with my brother, actually. Alright, and now I'm just cutting my crease with that same P. Louise base. Excuse the text ringtone. Just mind your business. And don't steal my text ringtone. Alright, so I'm going back in with that black to deepen out the V. And this is the color Native again. This is how it looks on the lid. It's very orange, but I wanted to have something to kind of bring together the lid color and the black. So that's why I used that. And now I'm going in. Ooh, I think this is called Antique. I think that's right. That's right. That feels right. And we're going to go. And that's a gold shimmery color. And we're putting that on the inner corner of the lid. And blending that in with the Native color so that it looks like a nice little gradient of like, you know. Of course, once we're done, we're going back into the contour palette. This is the Morphe contour palette. It's the best contour palette. And then we use the blush in that same palette, Periana. And this is my Beauty Bakerie Illuminator in the color Glazed. So this is definitely needed. Of course you are, of course. This is real super quick. So I'm doing my eyeliner, and when I have a black on the outer corner, I actually I do a half eyeliner. And that always just works for me. And then we're going in with the Joah lip. This is my normal lip combo. You see my lip combo, this is what I usually use. That's Mellow Cosmetics in the color Posh. And then we're just going in with the gloss. And this gloss is actually from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. And this is their nude gloss. I'm just gonna pack that in, and then we change. And that is it, you guys. That is it. This was a quick tutorial. I didn't want to keep y'all too long, but I feel like I look so pretty in this green. I'm feeling the greens right now, as you can see in the background. Yes, I'm loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.